Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, rear speakers, power connector cable, display panel assembly, and display panel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and tape to secure it to the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam and replace the retention tape. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel and tape to secure it to the display enclosure.